Finally a player. At the moment we don't bite, but soon the dev are giving us abilities.
Who are you?
Beep, beep, bandits!
Go ahead, pick up those items.
So these are item actors, which are interactables.
Yes. Player character searches for these items, which has interactable interface. As player has a component called interaction component. Alright, now go near the NPC and attack them with your fists. You, the player, has the attack ability, which in turn sends a hit event from the animation's anim notify.